So we went to some Valley Villages the other day and I recorded some stuff with Lila, but Lila doesn't have digits that can separate to show you some shit. So I'm going to show you some. So this was at the second place when we went to, where did we go? We went to Aurelia second. This was at Aurelia. I almost wet myself when I saw this. Oh my God!
Holy shit balls.
I know, right? So there was this. And there's more that makes it even friggin' better. There was this. Ah! Okay. Where's the last thing? Oh, here it is. And that.
Holy shit, a silo.
So, these are rare to find. This was all together. So clearly this came from somebody's like house and they're clean. I wasn't sure how old they were, but they don't smell. I mean, they've got the 1967 Fisher-Price stamp on them. But I think that even some of the newer ones when they were like this still have that stamp on them until they changed the form. However, what was attached to this...
Oh my goodness.
Right? Look at... Okay, so... And even better, this made me almost crap my pants right there. All the kids would have been like, oh my God, a little grown-up crapped her pants.
Holy, the people too.
So the thing about the people is the last time I checked, it was illegal to sell these mofos. I'm not even kidding you. They stopped. This is like 10 years ago when I was doing eBay. This great big thing went out on Etsy, on eBay, everywhere. These were illegal to sell.
Wow.
So I'm hoping nobody gets in trouble. But I had to buy both of them. So they had this one on for $14.99 with the people on it. And then they had this one. This mofo was $16.99. And then the silo by itself, $3.99. So...
They make money at Value Village.
Not smelly.
That's where the people and the
That's
pieces
where the
go.
people. So the first thing I did after I tried not to pee myself out loud because there were people around and I'm sure they could feel my energy. So I wasn't going to get this one even though I really wanted all the animals because the door's a little fuckered. I mean, the door's a little bit not working. And listen. Oh, where is it? So the moor is not quite... And then listen to this one. Where's the door? I can't see what I'm doing. Okay, so listen. That's what it's supposed to sound like.
That one sounds more like meh. This is the indifferent barn here.
The indifferent barn.
That's right. Meh.
Meh.
This barn.
Yeah. Meh.
Meh.
Okay, so.
Anywho.
Are you ready to rumble? Yeah, bitches! So, let me get the... Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of fence. This is not from a Fisher-Price. This is not from Fisher-Price. This is... Where should I put them? This is a newer Fisher-Price piece for the bigger little people that are legal, that you're allowed to sell now. Oh, there was a dude in here. I didn't even see that guy. Not a Fisher-Price chicken, but this is a Fisher-Price chicken. So this, oh, not a Fisher-Price cow. The doggy, he's missing his eyeballs. A car, because you know, you need a beater to get around the farm. Frick man, the sheep, missing its eyes. These, and look at the little black piggy! And there's a little thing that doesn't belong to this. And, is this, yeah, this is a Fisher-Price wagon. It would have had, I feel like the tractor was green. I seem to recall.
I don't know, I've slept since then.
Okay, so all of these guys in this condition, amazing. So Mike's camera got real excited and it just
Cacked out.
it cacked out. So now we're using my phone. Okay, so this is the second bag. Oh my god. So excited! Oh. Okay, so the rooster. The elusive rooster. That
they come to snuff the rooster.
so and another chicken. Sweet. These are my favorite. I love these guys. All right, another farmer. Get down there and give his little face. Hello. Another sheep. This one has eyeballs. Oh, another doggy. This one has his whole face. Timmy, the farmer's kid. I don't know if that was his.
Timmy?
I just meant that it was always Timmy when I was little. And Mary and Peter. So this one, look at her. This is Jane. She's wooden. She's got the wooden base, the plastic collar.
That's pretty vintage.
That is old. Look at, she's got her funny little, oh, somebody's bitten off one of her, oh, I think they bit off both of her ponytails. And a feeding trough. So, I almost crapped myself when I saw this. Because
Freaking amazing.
and I did that thing where I was like, I can't really justify spending over $30 on toys today. I can't. And then my friend who came with me yesterday. So I'm freaking out. I'm sweating. I broke out in a sweat. And I'm like, so then I talk myself out of it. I take a few pictures. I take some video with Lila in it. And then I leave and I go to Cash and I'm looking for him and he comes around and I said, oh my God, I have to show you a thing. And I'm making excited voices. And he's like, you need to buy that. You need to buy that, right? Put it in the cart. And I did. I totally did. So that was the biggest score from the thrift store yesterday that I couldn't wait to show you. Holy
Sweet.
crap. I've got more, but I think I need to play with this for a minute and then I'll show you the rest. Amazing. Like, I freaked out.
Can we hear
So-
the doors one more time?
What's that?
Can we hear the doors one more time?
Yeah.
Meh.
Is this one open? Hey. Hey, ladies. Hey. Oh! Oh! Who's that guy?
Sam,
Sam?
maybe. I don't know.
Lenny?
Lenny. He's in charge of the rabbits.
He's in charge of the rabbits. Notice there are no rabbits. Okay.